Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. And as I always say, when you watch our demonstrations, we ask that you do your homework. Go out there and see exactly how many people are doing demonstrations on our level. Alright, so first things first, let me show you where my projector is sitting. My projector is sitting 13 feet away from the screen. Keep in mind, in some of these demonstrations that you will see online, people are trying to show off their screens producing ambient light, taking on ambient light, where the projector is sitting. Now keep in mind, where my windows hit, they hit right behind the back of the projector, which means the distance from the light that's coming from the window is going to illuminate the area around the screen even 10 times brighter than what you would have with the average projector that is sitting in the middle of the ceiling and has at least a 5 or 6 feet span from the projector to the window. So keep in mind, from the window would have to travel 5 to 6 feet, maybe 8 feet before it hits the projector, and then travel another 12 feet or 8 feet from where the projector is at to hit the screen. Now, by then, you're not getting really too much of an ambient light, what you call ambient light test. With this is 13 feet right from the window, right directly to the screen. Alright, so you can see how well lit the environment is. And just to add insult to injury, I had the lights on also. So, let's check this out real quick. Now also too, keep in mind, on my table, this is an invisible nano right here. This is a wallpaper projection screen. I have this, actually this is the tabletop version. This is my popcorn over there, but this is the tabletop version. This allows me to use my ultra short throw Epson projector to project my PS4 menu right there on top of my table. But today we're talking about this powerful the technology we're using under the the technology we're using under Black Nano. So there you are, there's Black Nano. Let me show you exactly how amazing this technology is. Keep in mind, you're in a fully lit environment. I have direct light hitting the screen, including the overhead light and the ceiling fan. And where my projector sits is 13 feet, but yet that's 13 feet where the window meets the back of the projector. And if you notice, there's no fading out, there's no discoloration around the screen. Looks absolutely fantastic, as it should be. Now, as I said before, this is my office / gaming room. Do a lot of paperwork up here. On top of that, I want the window light to be the cascade in. I want to be able to see my room fully illuminated with light. On top of that, I need to see what I'm writing too. I sign my name to a lot of documents. Very important that I read through them. And I gotta tell people, before you buy from us, go out, look around on the internet, see how many people are doing demonstrations on this level. Now, if I decided that I want to watch a soccer game with all this light, I can do so. And this is a nano black coated on plexiglass. Alright, if my time runs out here, I want to say really quick, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain, showing you how powerful our Black Nano screens are. Showing you don't have to be subjected to a dark environment because you own a projector, and you can treat your projection screen like a TV. That's with the lights out, lights on. That's the angle gained on my screen. That much light hitting it. See how the blues are blues, nothing washes out, nothing's discolored. Look at the wallpaper projection screen, light hitting directly on top of it. Look at that. Greens, reds, none of that washes out. Hey, treat your projection screen like a TV.